apart from being Ahmadi, I was that person who took Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto to the gallows. I tied his hands, tied his legs. The only Ahmadi in whole of the world witness of that hanging. I witnessed myself. Majid Qureshi. I was assistant superintendent at that time at Adiala Pindi. And I was in charge of the cell there. Throughout his career, he remained in the jail for 323 days, and I remained there. And I had so many meetings with Bhutto, I could satisfy him. And he would trust upon me.
So, did you tell him that you are Ahmadi?
Yes, he knew me.
He surprised?
Because before he was selected as Prime Minister, I took part in his campaign for Prime Ministership and polls, etc. There is my interview on the TV, and they asked me, when he was not allowed, why he was hanged. Then I said, it was the God who was angry with him, and he didn't want his more life. I took him to that ladder, tied his legs, tied his hands, and